Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. This is Mommy John Abante. So for this vlog, this is actually like a recap for chapters 1 and 2 in one of the lessons of our kids. So first, the unit 1 was discussing about taking good care of oneself. So part of that is really grooming and having a annual checkup. So like what I always share here, that you need to have a regular checkup with your pedia and dentist to check, and then every day you have to remind the kids to brush their teeth, etc. So that's it. So here, this is our, we have this a personal grooming checklist. So we have this before our class. So every day I check if they shower, they wash their hair, they comb their hair, and etc. So also part of the grooming standard is checking on your outfit. For example, so I always share to the kids that when you go to work in the office, so there is really what we call a dress code. So in essence, you have to wear appropriate outfit for appropriate occasion. So for this vlog, I'd like to do a haul, to one way to remind the kids, to segregate their clothes. So these are just casual clothes that we have. We have also dressy outfits that's, for the recital, or like, our regular thing that we go dine together and dress up nicely. So so for today's haul, so I'd like to share this one. So I got this for Ian because it's summer here. So normally we shop like during summer or spring, summer, and then autumn, around autumn. So we have cold season here, so it's a different thing also. So so now that it's summer, so we normally go for comfortable outfits like this. So this is her outfit. Second is this dress also. Kay gamay na kayo yung sinina. Okay, so you have to replenish and check, the outfits from time to time. And then this is another one for her casual outfit. And this one is, on sale, so I got this for her. Like, when we go out and she wants to wear like sleeveless, so she should cover this inside the mall. So we use that here, or spring, summer, something like. Because denim is an in thing, so we got her a denim jacket. And this is another denim jacket. Okay. And then, I don't know. Okay, this is for Kuya, because he has to replenish his pants. And then we got this one for Kuya. Okay, I hope he likes this one. Okay, this one for summer, spring, summer outfit. And then this one also for Kuya. Okay, this one for Kuya in case we're going to the pool or beach, because sometimes daddy is teaching them how to swim. So, yun na siya. And then this is our household home clothes. Okay, home clothes, and another home clothes for Ian, this one. And again, okay. Oh, okay, this is Kuya's home clothes, and this is Ian's spring summer outfit. Okay, and then I got here another one for Kuya. Okay, and then I got Kuya belts. Okay, this is one thing I always share when I was active in the corporate, during my training time, that we need to have belts also. For men, I think we're minimum, you got 2. You have a black for your pair with the black shoes, and then a brown for your brown shoes. So, yun, ana siya. So, just for women kasi, it's different because you have different belts for depending, like, for whatever occasion. So, it depends also if it's like spring, summer, or autumn, winter. So, depending also with the outfit. So, that's how I educate the kids. So there are, when it comes to belts, you need to have minimum of two, a black one and a brown one. Usually black band or brown ang shoes, so you got to pair that. So for former clothes, I haven't seen a, maybe next shopping I will look for Kuya for his recital, but for now this is like, you know, casual clothes, home clothes that I got for him. And Ian also, because we need to replenish because some of the home clothes outfit are already short. Okay, so let me recap. This is for the kids, so this vlog is for our kids. If you find this helpful, so please like and subscribe to our channel. So again, the chapter 1 is more of like taking good care of yourself and eating the right food. Don't forget the go, grow, and glow and those stuff. And the second chapter was talking about your environment, your home, make it clutter free. I always make sure that the kids learn how to organize their clothes as well. So I always tell them that this is for, I call it going out clothes, and this is for home clothes, and this is like for their class, because they have teachers. We have teachers also, online teachers. So as much as possible, like, you know, wear a nice outfit for your class in respect to your teacher. So Kuya has his own set of class outfit, and Ian as well. So so this is just from unit 1 and unit 2. Again, kids, and mommy would like to remind you that in any lessons that I review, it's always like you have to take good care of yourselves first. You have to take good care of yourself. So, and be mindful of your grooming, be mindful of the food that you're eating, and be mindful as well of your environment. When I talk about environment, the home, so clutter-free, very clean, organized, not just on a weekly basis, but on a daily basis. And when we go out, clean as you go. All right, so that's all for now. That's all for the sharing. So I'm, as much as I would like to film or, you know, record videos, but I also have homeschooling tasks that I need to prioritize, and sometimes also it's a bit of a struggle for me that sometimes I always check if this is really value added to you or non-value added. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.